I use Photoshop pretty much every day, and it's been almost a year since I've updated it. So right after my recent update, I was getting ready to save my latest YouTube thumbnail as a JPEG, but to my confusion, I found that the JPEG option was gone as well as a bunch of others. The Photoshop version I'm currently using is the 22.4.3 release. So if your version is close to mine, you're probably also missing JPEG, PNG, and a bunch of other file formats in the Save As menu. So let me show you what's happening and then what to do to get Photoshop working like it did before. I always use the Save As function when I'm done with my thumbnails, but now when I choose Save As, there are only 4 options available. The list only shows a couple of Photoshop formats, PDF and TIFF. To be able to save to other formats, I've got 2 solutions for you. The first workaround is to use Save a Copy instead. When I choose Save a Copy, all the usual file type options are available that were there before I updated Photoshop. But I don't really like this workaround because it changes my workflow and I have to use a different keyboard shortcut. Instead, I recommend doing the following. Click on Edit at the top of the screen and then click on Preferences. In the pop-out menu, click on File Handling. And here in the top section, find the box that says Enable Legacy Save As and checkmark it. Then click OK. Now when I use Save As to save my image, all the file types are available like before, just the way I like it. Lastly, notice how Adobe has labeled this as a legacy function, so I would expect sometime in the future this workaround won't be available. But for now, this is how you get back all the other file types when using Save As. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.